What begins as a routine patrol along I-20 quickly turns into a high-stakes pursuit. A gray Honda suddenly refuses to stop, forcing troopers into a fast-moving chase across the highway. With traffic building and limited backup ahead, officers must decide quickly. Do they push the pursuit, or wait for the perfect moment to end it safely?
I-20 westbound of the 192. It's going to be Georgia San Frank Young 6814 SFY 6814. It's on a silver Honda. What are you doing? Tonight Grovetown will be 1080 westbound 192 gray Honda. Just double checking San Frank Young 6814 SFY 6814 Georgia. Do we have any troopers with stop sticks or any other troopers ahead of me? Do we have any MCCD that's up at the way station? We're coming up on the Grovetown exit right now. If we can try either a rolling roadblock or try to get some stop sticks out. Alright, just past Grovetown, passing on the shoulder. We should be coming up to the way station here in just a second. Again, it's a silver Honda Accord. Looks like a single occupant male driver. We're about to come to the entrance ramp to the way station right now. That'll be the 188.5, 188.5. Left lane. Again, it only looks like one occupant. Passing the way station. Drove down. Look on the map. How far away is the closest unit? Can somebody run that flag trying to find out where the vehicle come back, where the vehicle come back to? Yeah, it's going to be single black pound occupant. He knows I'm, when I got up next to him, he slammed on brakes.
Go ahead and get him whatever it is.
Last number. I'm going to go and try to set it for a bit. He's passing on the right shoulder.
At this point, the trooper is clearly trying to line up a pit maneuver, but the suspect knows exactly what's happening. Every time the patrol car closes in, the driver slams on the brakes to throw off the attempt. That move is extremely dangerous at highway speeds. The officer has to stay patient here. Would you risk the pit, or keep waiting?
Wait for him to get off the right shoulder. Too much traffic to set it for a bit. Yeah, he's been staying on the right shoulder, passing cars. I gotta open it. I'm trying to set it for He knows I'm trying to fit him and keep slamming on the brakes. Coming up to the 183. And he tried to take the 183, missed it. We're still westbound 183. I'm trying to fit him every time I set up, he slams on the brakes. Yeah, single black male, he's got a gray hoodie on, past 181.5. Up to the 180.5, 180.5. Stop stick. Past 179.5, 179.5. Past 179, I've got to open it, I'm trying to set up for a bit again. Yeah, he knows exactly what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit him. He keeps slamming on the brakes. As soon as I get close to him. Alright, just came into Montgomery County. The 177.5, 177.5. Past the 177. He's got his hazards on now. Still passing on the shoulder. Alright, I'm going to back off a little bit, coming up to the 175 exit. Be careful, he's probably going to try to take this exit. Yeah. Hey, you call it for me.
Secondary. Separated. North south on Cobham. Cobham. Just 31
Now the pressure peaks. Traffic is tightening. The suspect is running out of options, and the pursuit turns chaotic. Suddenly the Honda loses control and crashes hard. Within seconds, troopers rush in, weapons ready, shouting commands. In moments like this, officers have to assume the worst until they see those hands. One wrong move here could change everything.
Do you
Get up, man. Get up before we drag you out. Taser's been deployed. I'm sorry. Taser's been deployed 3 times. Go ahead and get EMS en route, please. 10-4.
Whose fault is that? Whose fault is that? No, you're not.
Stop moving! I don't have it. Please.
Hey.
Please don't.
Yeah, go ahead.
Please take me to the hospital, please. Give me.
Stop moving.
Sir, I'm
All
about,
you do is pull over.
sir, I'm about to die. Please, sir.
You could have killed somebody.
Sir.
You literally could have killed
Now
somebody.
you're worried about yourself now, aren't you?
No, sir, please. Don't.
Stand up.
I feel shot, sir. Please. Help me, bro. Sir, please.
Come on.
Ow, please, sir, please. Sir,
You could have killed somebody.
Sir, please. Sir, look. Sir, sir. Restore. Please, sir. Help. Sir, please. See, sir, please. All right, sir, please.
Sit down. Shut the fuck up.
All right.
Yeah.
First I tell him.
You believe it. Yeah.
You can, we'll get us to ground.
Contraband on the floor there. Good big dog?
929-880 and 10-581 long distance here. 10-4. I have a border up now. I'm clearing around all the clear radio. Altitude radio is at 6-8-39.
What started as a simple
No,
stop
sir,
turned into a
please.
dangerous highway pursuit, ending in a violent crash. Quick reactions and
shot, sir,
coordinated
please.
tactics
Help me,
helped
bro.
bring the situation under control before anyone else was
please,
hurt.
sir,
If you enjoy real pursuit breakdowns like this, hit like,
You could
share your
kill
thoughts
somebody.
below, and subscribe for more real police
Sir, look.
chases.
Clear radio. Altitude radio is at 6-8-39.
You alright? Yeah, yeah. This glass.
539, I'm clear as well now.
We got pictures of everything on the ground. You want to get evidence back?
Yeah, it's on there. Yeah. Try to catch my breath. What? I did the glasses.